Hello guys, welcome to my tutor classes. In our last class, we discussed about subphylum Hemichordata, its general characteristics and larval form. Today, we will discuss about a species under the subphylum Hemichordata, that is Balanoglossus clavigerous. So, as we know that Hemichordata term derived from two Greek words, that is hemi, which means half, chordae means chord. So these comprises of mainly marine, primitive, vermiform chordates, also known as acron arm or tongue worm. Example, Balanoglossus. So Balanoglossus clavigerous was first reported by Deleuze in 1829. Let's discuss about the nomenclature. So Balanoglossus term, let's see, that is Balanos and glossus. Balanos, which mean acron. So acron is a fruit of oak tree which resembles the structure of Balanoglossus. In Balanoglossus we can find there is a proboscis and a collar. So when we find that acron fruit, it resembles like something is extends from the posterior end, which resembles with the Balanoglossus. Like here, it seems like the proboscis is extending from the collar. Similarly, glossus means tongue. So Balanoglossus body has proboscis, collar, and the genital wing, which resembles the tongue of an ox. So in common words of fishermen, Balanoglossus is known as ox tongue worm. Habitat: Balanoglossus are marine organisms which found in intertidal region and some in the deep seas. There are about 20 species are found across the globe. Some reside beneath coastal stones and majority in U-shaped burrows. So this is a Balanoglossus U-shaped burrow which has an anterior funnel-shaped opening, accessory opening. This is the Balanoglossus and another opening. Here you can find this is the coiled fecal matter. If you see the image, this is the coiled fecal matter. So let's discuss about this U-shaped burrow. So U-shaped burrows has some specific features like a funnel-shaped opening, a branch opening, a posterior vertical limb, horizontal limb, and an opening with coiled fecal matters. Let's discuss some of the common features. So Balanoglossus body contains some mucus glands that secrete mucus, which we previously discussed in our last class, that Hemichordates epidermal lining contains the mucus gland. These mucus are mixed with sand particles and act like cement to form walls of burrow. It also produces some foul smells to keep other organisms away from the burrow, act like as a safety mechanism. Some are fluorescent in nature. Body contains cilia that helps in locomotion. The proboscis is the most active body part that helps in burrowing. Male and female stay in separate burrows. They produce gametes and release them to seawater where fertilization occurs. Turnaria is its larval form, and the body has some regeneration capabilities. So this is a dorsal view of Balanoglossus. It has proboscis, collar, branchial region down to it has genital wing, mid-dorsal ridge, hepatic cica, hepatic region, and the anus. So proboscis, collar, and trunk. And the basically trunk is the longest part, which has some features. So morphology. Balanoglossus has a soft, worm-like unsegmented body with three distinctive parts, that is proboscis, collar and trunk. Its length varies 10 to 50 cm depending on species and region. Its body has a bright color with reddish and orange tints. Proboscis is the anterior body part which is soft, conical and circular in cross section. Its wall has a thick muscular lining and covers the coelom. Coelom is connected with the outside through proboscis pore. Its posterior region contains a proboscis stalk and a U-shaped line of cilia present below the stalk known as preoral ciliary organ, which tests quality of water and food, makes it ciliary filter feeder. Comes to collar. Collar is the middle body part, soft, cylindrical in nature. Anterior part of the collar has a funnel-shaped structure called collarate. Proboscis stalk is extended into collarate, which is connected to mouth open to buccal cavity. Collar has a thick muscular wall and a pair of ports open to first pair of genital wing. Trunk. It is the longest part of Balanoglossus, which is later on divided into three regions like brachiogenital, hepatic and post-hepatic or caudal region. So brachiogenital region is the anterior region which contains the genital wings with gonals. The anterior portion contains genital pores arranged in pairs on both sides of the mid-dorsal ridge, one row on one side of ridge. Hepatic region, that is the middle region, contains hepatic ceca which is greenish in color, and caudal region, which is the longest part, contains anus.